This is Daisy. Daisy is here for Puppy Academy. Daisy is a Doberman Pinscher. You ready? Sit. Good job, Daisy. Good girl. You ready? Okay. Today is her first day. Don't think I said that the first time around, did I? Did I? All right, Daisy. Daisy, come. Good girl. Heel. Sit. Sit. Now we practiced this before at home. Come here. Go. Sit. No, because we weren't on a leash, right? Heel. Right here. Sit. Look, this one has the treat. Sit. There you go. Good girl, Daisy. Good girl. Daisy, heel. Right here. Good girl. Good girl. Good sit. Come on. You're one of those? You get to chew every little piece, huh? That's okay. That's okay. Good girl. Heel. Come on. Great job. Heel. Sit. Daisy girl. Up, 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 up. Good girl. Good girl, good girl. What do you smell? Hi there. Were you back with me now, huh? Are you back with me now? Yeah. All right, Daisy. Sit. You don't like these treats. We gotta find something that you like. Oh, you know what? I think your mommy sent your treats out here. Got to grab them. Daisy, sit. Good, sit. Down. Yes. Good job. Good job. Okay. Come here. Heel. Sit. Good girl. Oh, she is a Doberman puppy. That is Daisy in her first day of Puppy Academy.